This is Colin Dijs, and in this video I will tell you the biggest opportunity for native ads happening this year. You can prepare right now and be part of one of the biggest moves coming up. I'm not that active on YouTube lately. Apologies, I've been caught up in a lot of other projects, yet my companies in the native space are still going. My consulting company, my software company, I am now the chairman of a board of a huge advertising group, and these things are still ongoing. Yes, I'm still running my campaigns as well, and I will walk you through it quite quickly just to prove a point. I've been posting a lot of my social medias, my Instagram, my Facebook. Check the links in the description if you don't follow me already. About NFTs and crypto, something I've been into a lot lately, what I like to do in my free time. However, the campaigns are still going strong, guys. Advertising is what I do. Advertising is my passion, the whole marketing thing. So I have optimized the campaigns on Wednesday where I didn't touch the campaign for 10 days, and I keep saying it. Yes, I should put some more focus on it, but it's running profitable, so I just let it be. I did some optimization, cut some of the reach, increased the bids, and it immediately gives results. You know, 700, 800 a day. It's good. It's not my priority, as you can imagine. I just want to show you guys the campaign Nutra in the United States is still running. So far, we pulled in about $32,000. And in refunds only $500, no chargebacks. So far about almost 200 sales. Yeah, really good. I'm really happy, but of course I don't need to prove anything because you guys know that I know what I'm doing, right? When we look at the tracker, I mean Friday the 19th, profitable, quite good. Saturday not profitable, primarily because the main converting campaign didn't convert. So I have one super optimized campaign which only is like 3-4 widgets, and then I have one campaign still in testing which is basically never profitable. But I'm testing this, I'm just doing this for basically the January period, right? Again, extremely profitable, and again profitable, right? So today the day just started, but again profitable. Every time it's this campaign profitable, this one is not profitable, but that is, as I said, because this one is still in the testing phase. What am I doing with this Nutra campaign? I'm running my testing until December 10th. So based on the amount of widgets that are left, and obviously how much I'm currently spending per day, I have calculated that on around December 5th to December 10th, I'm done testing with this campaign. I pause my campaigns for the next 2.5 weeks, and the 1st of January, I'm ready to blow some shit up with this campaign. I'm not gonna go all in, prepare 50 campaigns like I used to do, because I have other priorities. I'm selling one of my companies, which you can imagine in the December period is not the best thing to do, and it takes a lot of my time. However, that is something I really need to do in order to structure my businesses properly, and therefore I'm not 100% on the media buying. But obviously I love the Nutra boom in January. So if you are a Nutra advertiser, definitely take advantage of that. If we go to the holiday calendar, the biggest opportunities are obviously quite present, I would say. Right now it's about the 20th of November, right? So let's scroll all the way down, and you'll find great opportunity, right? Great opportunity. So got Halloween already passed, 20th of November right here. So you got, this is the United States calendar, just FYI. Thanksgiving coming up. This is basically Thanksgiving is basically where the pattern begins. The next big one is obviously Black Friday, right? On the 26th. Which is just a couple of days from now. E-commerce will be the big trend up until Christmas, right? Up until Christmas. E-commerce will be the biggest one. You got Black Friday here, you got Cyber Monday right here, the 29th, which are basically the biggest spikes, right? You got Hanukkah, the last day of Hanukkah, on the 6th of December, and then you basically have quite a bridge up until Christmas. Right after Christmas, you have New Year's Eve, where there is more retail based, or retail, I mean like drinking, what's it called, hospitality branch, drinking, alcohol, which we are not involved in as advertisers, right? So primarily the e-commerce, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas. If you are an e-commerce affiliate, you have a huge opportunity here, right? Probably your biggest months of the year, if not Singles Day, if you don't focus on like Asia. However, looking specifically at the Nutra boom, that is obviously January 1st until January 14th, have to take into consideration something really important. That when we look at the calendar, the specific reason I mentioned December 10th is because at that point people start to leave the office, right? December 10th, maybe December 16th, people want to go home for Christmas, wherever they live, whatever they do. Not all companies, but you will notice that 60 to 80% of the staff will be gone at that point. And when the staff is gone, on account management level, for example, the interaction will be less. And when the interaction is less significant, you will get less help. So what it means that whitelist, budgets, anything like regarding caps with affiliate managers, that all has to be sorted before the 10th, right? Specifically, even for the December period until the end of the year, but also for January. Because if you are going to do that in January, it is not uncommon for affiliate managers, account managers to return January 10th, right? Because obviously, if you take off, let's say 16th, then you got like Christmas, you got New Year's, the day after New Year's, like New Year's Day. Those are all like bank holidays, right? So they're already off. So you only need to take like 2 weeks holiday for like a 4.5 week holiday total. Obviously, a lot of people doing this every single year. And I have had the experience in the past where I needed my account manager and they weren't there until I think like the 14th or the 15th of January, which is an absolute fucking nightmare. You get referred to somebody else, this person takes up all the accounts. So basically now, instead of one account manager per 300 affiliates, it's one account manager per 5,000 affiliates. And you can imagine that the wait times will be huge, and obviously for you, that is not beneficial. So anything regarding the campaigns, I would recommend you to take advantage of the e-commerce spike if you are an e-com affiliate up until the end of this year. If you are a Nutra affiliate, definitely prepare your assets for January. Insurance will also be very big in the first quarter, but I know that most of y'all are focused on the Nutra, which I also think is the biggest opportunity coming up consistently. That's why I have my campaigns tested and ready. They are already extremely profitable, but I think, and when I say extremely profitable, I'm happy with 30% ROI when I don't even look at these campaigns, right? Because I have so much other things going on. I just do this for my students, to document for you guys, to share on masterclasses that I do, right? Check the link in the description, only $50. Join me 3 hours a week, every single week for 4 weeks. $50, that's a no-brainer. Anyway, little promo there. This is a big opportunity, you know, and I just want to let you guys know, because I've been telling my students all the time for the last 4 weeks, you know, keep in mind e-commerce then Nutra, e-commerce then Nutra, focus, 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 because you could make as a Nutra affiliate 50 to 70% of your revenue probably in January, right? It's huge. Obviously the summertime, the preparation towards the summertime is also huge, and Nutra is good in general, right? Don't get me wrong. But that specific month where all the bullshit, new year, new me, new foundation, I'm gonna find myself again. Like all these people want to lose weight from the holidays, and obviously they're looking for a quick and easy fix. And there your Nutra program can get them the right results that they so much desire, and you can make a lot of money. I hope you're ready for the end of this year. E-commerce and Nutra. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. This was just a quick little update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.